In this Python Turtle graphics tutorial, we will learn how to use the undo function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I created a window with Turtle. First, I will draw an octagon. I can do this using a for loop. Using the range property, I make the for loop run 8 times. I move the turtle object forward 150 units. Then I direct it 45 degrees to the left. I had an octagon drawn. In previous lessons, we learned how the stamp function works. I add the stamp function to the for loop. You can change the direction of the shape by using the right function instead of left. Now I will undo all actions taken. I'm creating a for loop. The previous for loop ran 8 times. 3 different processes occurred in each cycle. So I need to undo 24 transactions. I will run the for loop 24 times. I add an undo function to the for loop. Every transaction made is undone sequentially. In this video, we learned how the undo function works. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.